Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and I hope you're sitting down because I have so many awesome things to share with you today. I'm going to need you to get out of your chair and run to your computer and order these ASAP. But I want you to see all my wonderful samples first. I have so many samples, I couldn't even get them all in one stack on my desk. Okay, really quick. You know the stamp set for this month, the Stampin' Die Hard Flowers to Layer, right? Well, you know I'm not a color girl. I'm not one that likes to color. I like solids. So I designed these solids, of course, to fit into those flowers. Now, the leaf, you also got the circle, the little flowers. It was these are too small to do the little tiny pieces, but I got the big pieces on there. Then we went in a different direction on the top half. The top half of these stamps, they look solid, but they're not solid when you stamp them. They're more of a watercolor look, and I'm excited for you to see those. So the bottom, solid, top, not. Okay, just remember that when you stamp. I don't want you to be surprised. It's a watercolor effect on the top half. That's very exciting, and I have lots of samples to share with you on those. But number two, we have finally, by request, so many of you have begged for us to bring this one back. And so I said, you know what, we're gonna do it. It's a little different than our old one, but we're gonna do it. It is the large circle Flipit die. Now, yes, I did have something similar back in the olden days at the old company, but this is brand new design. The base is the same, however. It also comes with these gorgeous flowers, lots more circles, and some vines. Now, that is exciting on its own, right? But we're releasing 5 insert dies separately. But I thought, let's do this a little differently. So you could buy the 5 sets separately if you want, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll show you what these are in just a second. Or you could buy them already done like this all together, all 5, at an extra discount. Wow, okay, wait, what? Yeah, listen to this. You could buy them separately if maybe you only wanted 2, but let's say you wanted 4. Okay, let's say you like 4 out of the 5. Guess what? If you buy this kit of all 5, you're getting 1 free. You're only paying for 4 if you buy this. I know, I'm trying something different. I wanna see, do you guys like to have to click buy, or do you just wanna click buy once and get all 5 at a discount, extra discount? So club member discount plus you're getting 1 free. I know, it's like amazingly awesome, right? I know, it's awesome, it's awesome, it's awesome. Now, what are they? Well, let's find out. One says, thinking of you. One says, just pray, with a cross, which I love. One says, thank you, my friend. These are all brand new, by the way. These are all brand new, okay? These are brand new. This one says, I'm so sorry. And this one is different. It is to make circle shaker cards. Yes, it's true. It is really awesome. It's to make circle shaker cards. Now, you could buy them separately or buy 4, get 1 free only by buying this kit. Don't go buy these thinking you're gonna get 1 free. You won't. You gotta buy it in the kit. Once the kit is sold out, it's not coming back. It will be deleted off of our website. You'll need to buy them separately. So we have a limited number of these where you get 1 free, or you can buy them separate. Again, do not buy 4 of these thinking you're getting 1 free. That's not how it works. You have to buy the kit, the bundle. I think we're calling it a bundle, okay? Bundle, yes, just a heads up. Now also, all of these fit on this, right? You know me, everything goes together. Now, shush, Stephanie, let's get into the fun stuff. Okay, so here we go. Here is the fun solid stamps. Look how gorgeous that is. Here is an example of what that watercolor look looks like. See how you can see like pieces missing of the ink? Here's another example of another one. It looks like a ink splot of ink. Now, my goodness gracious, this is the perfect example of a solid stamp and our ink pads. Look how gorgeous that's stamped. Isn't that beautiful? You can see the solidness of that. Here's another one, the solid of that stamp. It's just absolutely gorgeous with our ink pads. Now, for the other look, remember, this is more of the watercolor look where there's pieces missing of it. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's using both the solid and the ink splot, which is really fun. Look how gorgeous and simple this one is. 2 little pieces of that stamp and just thinking of you. Look how pretty. Here's another simple one with watercolor effect. I love that. Here's one using the dye, which is one of my favorite flower dyes. Here's another one, great example, watercolor and then solid. So this is perfect for those of you like me that don't like to color. Here's solid again. Here's a simple, easy one, just stamped with that gorgeous watercolor effect, ink splot. Here's the solid stamp, beautiful. Now let's look into our Flipits. Okay, so you're getting these flowers in the kit. Isn't that gorgeous? You also get the layering dies, which is really fun. I love it. But you can also add on Thinking of You. Look, shaker, shaker, my friends, shaker. Isn't that awesome? Thinking of You. Look how intricate that die is. Isn't that gorgeous? Thinking of You, and open and close. Here's that Thinking of You without a shaker. Oh, and a sneak peek on this card. We won't talk about that, but there's a sneak peek on this card coming this month. Isn't that cute? Okay, oh, here's another Thinking of You as a shaker. So pretty. I love that. Ooh, here is Thank You, My Friend. Thank you, my friend, with our little cherries. Oh, I miss my cherries. I love those. Now, you're thinking, okay, Stephanie, that's great, but what if I don't like to always do Flipit cards? Well, you know what, my friends? Look, you don't have to. You can add that. Look at that, gorgeous. Just Pray. That is on a Slimline die. Here's another Just Pray with our fun hummingbirds. That was a class one time that's coming back soon. Isn't that gorgeous? Just Pray. Here is a Thank You, My Friend. I love the black with the colors. Isn't that pretty? Oh, here's a pretty one. If you ever need to make like a sympathy, I'm so sorry. Thinking of You. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm so sorry and thinking of you. Here's a pretty one. Just Pray. I love those flowers on the side like that. Isn't that gorgeous? Just Pray. Now, if I'm going too fast on any of these, my friends, don't worry. They're all in our online gallery as well. Thank You, My Friend, with our cute little birdies. Ooh, look at this one. Look how nice and bright this one is. Look at those vines. I love those vines. Thinking of You. See how those circles fit on there? Absolutely, positively perfect. Our other circles also that are on our website, we have lots of others. Those are also going to fit in this die set as well. Okay, we have lots of other circles as well. Here's another Thinking of You. Gorgeous. Oh, here's a fun one. I'm so sorry. Cut out of the Slimline. Look at that. Cut out. Isn't that fun? Ouch, ouch, ouch. That's our Band-Aid set. I love that set. Here's a cute one. I love the color. I love how when you just change the colors, look at this, you guys. When you just change the colors, you're getting a totally different look every time. Look, these are just using the dies that come in the kit. But look, 3 different looks. I love that. I love that, love that, love that. It's just changing the colors. I'm looking for another one that's just like this. Changing the colors and you're getting a totally different look. Here's another one. Look at that. All different. I love that. I love that. I love that. Now, here's a Just Pray. And I don't know if I showed you this one. Thinking of You. And last but not least, another Slimline. I'm so sorry. How easy peasy is that, right? So much fun. Don't forget that bundle is, once it's gone, it's gone. So that's like that extra freebie in there. Once it's gone, it's gone. Of course, club members, you're getting the club discount on all of these. I know. It's amazing. It's like we pay you to be club members. You know why? Because we love you all so much. That's why. That's why. That's the truth. It's true. We love our club members. I always like to say our customers are our friends. Our club members are our family. So they get the family discount. Okay. Go to the website now. Hurry, hurry, hurry. That bundle will sell out. So go get that quick. My friends, thank you so much. And I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.